your head means if. The action is given there, you have to give me response. The second action is your friends spread rumors about you. तुमचे मित्र तुमच्याबद्दल अफवा पसरवतात. Raise your hand. Yes, Ankita.
I will distract myself at the proper time.
Very good. Next, Bhavini.
I speak with my friends, ask result of an act.
Yes. Next आहे someone doubts you. If someone doubts you, raise your hands. कोणी तुमच्यावर डाऊट घेतंय, शंका घेतंय, काय करणार? Yes, मयूर.
I typically respond calmly and constructively.
Yes. Next, Pramod.
I don't care.
You don't care. Next. Yes, Alia.
I will listen to their concern.
Very good. Next, Rajnandini.
I provide inspiration or guidance to support my friends.
Very good. Last is your relatives blame you for something. तुमचे नातेवाईक तुमच्यावर डाऊट घेत आहेत, तुम्हाला दोष देत आहेत कोणत्या तरी गोष्टीसाठी. फर्स्ट, raise your hand. Yes, Harsha.
I will not pay attention.
You will not pay attention. Very good. Next. Yes, Rita.
Time is the answer he or she will come now.
To know the truth. Time is the best answer to them. Yes, very good. In this way we completed the activity. Stop.